Hello everyone, this is our remote control Model 18. I will introduce you how to delete and how to add remote for this model. As you see, we already connected with a tubular motor. This remote has 4 keys. Key 1 is for upwards. Key 2 is for downwards. Key 3 is stop, and key 4 is lock. If press lock key, remote is not working. You should press lock key again to work. Firstly, I will show you how to delete remote. Here is the start key on receiver. Please keep pressing it and release it until you hear the second beep sound. Now, remote is not working. Delete is successful. Secondly, I will show you how to add remote. This remote is not working. Please also press start key on the receiver. When you hear the first short sound, release your finger, then press any random key 3 times continuously on the new remote, and wait for 8 seconds. You can hear another sound. Study is successful. Now the remote is working. If you want to add more remotes, please follow me. This remote is working. This is a new remote. Please press key 2 and 3 together on all the remotes. You can hear a sound. Release your fingers. Then please press any random key 3 times continuously on the new remote, and wait for 8 seconds. You can hear another sound. Study is successful. Now the new remote is working. Remote control Model 18 can add 40 pieces remotes mostly. If more than 40 pieces, the first study remote will be replaced.